In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Outlook View. By the end, you'll know exactly how to adjust the layout so your inbox feels cleaner, faster, and tailored to the way you work. Start by opening Outlook from your desktop. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log in so you have access to your mail and folders. Once Outlook is open, look toward the top of the window for the ribbon and click the View tab. This is the command center for how everything in your mailbox is arranged. Within the View tab, find the section labeled Layout. This group holds the controls that shape the main areas of your screen, what you see on the left, how messages preview in the middle, and whether you keep quick access to your calendar and tasks. Let's begin with the Reading pane. Click Reading pane and choose where you want it: right, bottom, or off. Choosing right keeps your message list on the left and shows the full message on the right, which is great for widescreens. Bottom places the preview beneath your message list and can make subject lines easier to scan. Turning it off hides the preview entirely so you only see the list of emails, which can reduce distractions and give you more room to organize. If your screen feels cramped or you're working on a small laptop, moving the pane to the bottom or turning it off can make a big difference. Next, still on the View tab, select Folder pane to control the navigation area on the left. Set it to normal to keep all your folders and shortcuts visible. Choose Minimized if you want a slimmer bar that saves space but still lets you expand it when needed. Pick Off to hide it completely for a focused, minimal workspace. If you turn it off and want it back, just return to the same Folder pane menu and switch it to normal again. Finally, you can display or hide your calendar and task list on the side using My Day. Click View, then My Day, and choose Show or Hide. When it's shown, you'll see upcoming events and tasks in a tidy sidebar, so you can glance at your schedule without leaving your inbox. If you prefer a cleaner look, hide it and bring it back only when you need it. That's all there is to it. Adjust the Reading pane, the Folder pane, and the My Day sidebar until your Outlook feels effortless and aligned with your workflow. And remember, you can revisit these options anytime as your needs change.